The 2015 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.
This is the time to experience the difference. Theodore Robins Ford on Harbor Boulevard in Costa Mesa.